Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can mute your alarm by turning your phone face down on Android mobile phone, especially on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get started. First thing first, you have to open your settings application on your Samsung Galaxy phone, and then you have to go to the advanced features. You can scroll down your phone to find this advanced features and just click on this feature, and then you have to select the motions and gestures. Okay, and here we have to activate the mute with gestures feature. Click on the toggle button to activate this feature, and right after you activate this feature on your Samsung Galaxy phone, you will be able to mute incoming calls and alarms by putting your hand over the screen or turning your phone face down. And that's so easy, right? Okay guys, and that's how we can mute our alarm by turning our phone face down on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.